Hello, this is Nathan at brothersontech.com. We're looking at the TomTom ONE XL GPS unit, and in this video we're going to look at the advanced planning options that are available to us. And there are really two main icons we want to look at. And if we go over here to the second page of the main menu, you'll see we've got advanced planning and itinerary planning. Let's look at advanced planning first. What this allows us to do is to pick any departing location besides just where we're currently at. So that means that we can plan a trip in advance by choosing a different starting location than where we're currently at. So say that I'm flying into a city and I want to know what the route's going to look like from the airport to my hotel. Well, I can look at that before I leave home because I can enter a departing address and a destination address using all the typical things that you can see here when you're navigating. So I can take a look at a route in advance, see what it's going to look like, see what the distance is going to be, without actually having to be there live and in person. So that's a pretty nice feature. I use that quite a bit myself. Second of all is itinerary planning. This lets us enter a big list of places that we're going to be going. Now let's take a look at it here. You can see the itinerary is currently empty, and if we go to options, well, there's nothing here. We would be able to start navigation if we had something. We can load itineraries that we've saved previously. We can delete an itinerary, and let's back it up and let's build an itinerary here. So you can see our typical navigate to options are available to us, and I'm just going to use a recent destination, something we played with in another video. Let's say we want to go to the taco bar. So you notice it's got the little red checker flag. We've entered that as a destination. Let's add another destination. Oh, I don't know, this address here. And I don't know what are at these addresses, are just random things that I've entered. Now you can see everything is going up there as a checkered flag. Now what in the world does that mean? It means each of these are a destination. It'll take us to one, and then I believe when you get to one, it's like, do you want to go to the next destination? And you tell it to go to the next place. So you could enter a whole list of destinations. Say you've got a lot of places you need to stop throughout the day. You can just enter them all here in the order you want to visit them and let it send you off. Or you can change it a little bit. Let's select one of these. Whoops. Let's select that again. I hit it twice. Notice we can mark it as visited. That's what I did the first time when it grayed one out. We can change the order of these guys by moving them up and down. We can show it on the map. We can delete it. But here's the interesting one. We can mark it as a waypoint. Notice if I mark it as a waypoint, it's just got yellow arrows. Now what this is going to do is just take us straight through that destination and on to our final destination. So it's not going to stop there and ask us if we want to go to the next place. It's just going to take us through that point. So it thinks we've already visited Taco Bar. It's going to take us by this address and eventually to that destination. So we can set up a combination, a mix of destinations and waypoints to determine the route that we want to take, as well as the destinations that we want to arrive at. And then we can build that, we can navigate through this itinerary, and we can save it or start a new one. So it's pretty powerful, and there's a lot that you can do with that. And those are the advanced planning options on the TomTom ONE XL. This is Nathan, and thank you for watching here at brothersontech.com.